Hello everyone and welcome to the Solidworks channel. Uh, Today we are going to discuss about the sketching environment of the Solidworks. Here are the some of the different tabs of the Solidworks, that is the features, sketch, evaluate, dimension expert, Solidworks add-on, Solidworks MPT, Solidworks cam, and Solidworks inspection. Okay, we will discuss one of the major and the key important module of the Solidworks, that is the sketch, where we start from very scratch. Here are some of the buttons available which we use to make a sketch on the Solidworks. This is a sketch button. Here we can select the sketch or a 3D sketch option. Sketch is for only for the 2D sketching of any drawing, and 3D sketch we will use in some advanced geometries where the 3D sketches will be required. Here is the smart dimension tab where we can dimension the already made objects, and this is the line tab. Here we can select about the line, center line, or a midpoint line. Okay, we will discuss later how we can draw these lines and what are their functions. Here are the some of the available rectangles: corner rectangle, center rectangle, 3-point rectangle, 3-point center rectangle, and the parallelogram. We will discuss these all the types of the rectangle later in the videos. Here the straight slot, center point straight slot, 3-point arc slot, and the center point arc slots. Some of the circles are available here: circle, perimeter circle, and here are some of the arc, center point arc, tangent arc, and the 3-point arcs are also available. Here are some of the polygons. We can draw different polygons of the different sides, and here is also an option of the spline, style spline on a surface, and equation driven curves that we can draw the curves using some of the quadratic equations and the mathematical equations which represent the basically the curves. And here are the ellipse, partial ellipse, and parabola and conics, all that can also be drawn over here. And here is the plane option and some of the text option. We can also place our text on the any of the surface of the model. And here is the point sketch. This option is used to trim the entities. Let's suppose we have some coinciding geometries and we want to trim some of the parts of the geometry, and this command is used for that. This is the conversion entity, intersection curves, and we can convert to that. And offset, it's basically a distance from a particular surface. It will be made some away from a particular surface. Some of options are not highlighted here because these options are only on when there is some geometry which can be used, or we can say that we can these options are applicable on those geometry, then they will be highlighted. Mirror entities, linear sketch pattern, and the move entities. We can move the entities from one point to the other point. Display and delete options, and some of the repair sketch options are also available. Here are the quick snaps filter, and rapid sketch, instant 2D, and shaded sketch contours. Okay, we will discuss all these entities one by one in the later videos.